Hey guys, who's ready for makeup? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I've been a little AWOL the past few weeks. I just finished a summer intensive EMT class and it kind of took like all of my time, and so I've literally not had a chance to make videos or create a lot of content, which I really apologize for, but I hope to make that up in the coming future. In today's video, I am showing you a little trick I've learned on how to do winged eyeliner, specifically cat eye eyeliner. In this video, I'm going to be using 3 different things to create a perfect eyeliner look. The first one is a black eyeliner pencil, the second is liquid liner, and the third is a makeup wipe. For the rest of the video, I'm going to be zoomed in on my face so that way it's easier to see what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do first is take this black eyeliner pencil, this specific one is by e.l.f., and I'm just going to follow the eyeshadow line that I've created with my look, but this is kind of at a 45-degree angle from where the end of my eyelid is. And I'm just going to very lightly travel in that direction. It's actually more like 30 degrees. Just like that. Then I'm going to go about halfway from where the line I just created is, and I'm just going to lightly start shading towards the center of my eye. So if you notice, I haven't completely shaded in this lower portion of the line. I've just kind of made an outline so far, which is what we're doing. And then I'm going to carry that line towards the center of my eye, and I'm going to stop about 1/4 of an inch from the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm just going to lightly travel back over this line to define it a little bit more. Got a little boop. And then that's our outline for this winged eye. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. So next we're going to take our liquid liner, and this one is the Revlon Color Stay Skinny liquid liner in shade black. And I prefer this type of liquid liner because I hope it'll focus. It has that really nice pointed end, which is really great for creating a dramatic winged eye, especially for like winged cat liner, things like that. Is that what it's called? Winged cat liner? Cat eye? Cat eye. That's... oh. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're just going to travel over the outline that we made earlier. And then with a very light touch, we're going to hit the very end of the wing. And if you, I don't know if it's catching this or not, but I haven't shaded in yet. It's still just the outline like how we did with the black pencil. And then still with the outline, we're going to create the bottom piece of the wing. And then at this point, we're going to fill in with our liner. And again, this doesn't have to be perfect. We can fix any kind of mistakes or blemishes with the makeup wipe. And if you want to make it thicker, you can at this point too. So right now it's pretty thin. If you want to make it thicker, I always recommend, instead of thickening the line towards the inner portion of your eye, I say start about midway and then traveling towards the tail of your wing. So because we kept a very light touch on the end of the wing, it's pretty pointed, but we can still use that makeup wipe in a little bit to kind of shape it up a little bit more. If you like it at this point, by all means skip the makeup wipe. If you want to thicken it even more, by all means go ahead. You're just going to continue to take your liner and fill in. So now we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So now that we've done both sides of our eyes, we can take a makeup wipe and kind of clean up the edges on the end of our wings. If you like how it is so far, go ahead and skip this step, add some lashes, and boom, you're done. If you do want to clean it up or, you know, try and make them more even, this is the part that you want to try. What I like to use is the Neutrogena makeup wipes. I have really sensitive skin, and so far these have been the only makeup wipes that have not broken out my skin or, you know, made a rash or anything. So I really recommend these. I use these in my everyday routine. And what I'm gonna do, take a clean wipe, and I'm just gonna wrap it around my finger. And this part you want to be careful, but if you make a mistake, you can always just add your eyeliner back on and try again. And what I like to do is take the end where my finger is and just lightly go on the very bottom of the wing and going in the direction where the wing is pointing. I'm going to move some of that liner upwards. And so if your eyeliner is already dry, this might not work as well. When it's still wet, you can really manipulate it with a makeup wipe. What this does is you're cleaning the very bottom edge of your eyeliner, and you're also creating a little bit more of a defined point by moving that wet liner upwards. You can see I've kind of wiped away a little bit of the makeup underneath my eye. That's totally easy to fix. All you're gonna do is take your wet beauty sponge that you used for your foundation and just lightly pat underneath. So you're gonna take the fine point of your liquid liner, and with a light hand like how we've been using for the end of our wing, you're gonna lightly travel in the direction that your liner is pointing to create a stronger point. And then if you want to clean that part up too, same thing. And fix up the bottom a little bit. And there you go. So this little trick is really easy to practice over and over, because with the makeup wipe, you're able to clean up the edges of your wing, and if you mess up, you just add more liner and retry. This is a tip that I use every day when I'm doing my eyeliner, and I actually use it to change the angles if one side of my eye is, you know, off out in the middle of nowhere and the other one is, you know, where I want it to be. I can take a makeup wipe and clean upwards or kind of angle it down, so that way the angles of both of my eyes match. I've been using this little trick for about 6 or 7 years, and with practice I've learned that it works best with liquid liner and not so much with just a black eye pencil. I haven't really tried it with kohl. I just prefer a darker eyeliner, and I always achieve that with the black liquid liner. So what we're gonna do now is pop on some lashes. In my everyday routine, I don't wear fake eyelashes, but for this look, I'm gonna go ahead and do that because I know that a lot of you out there do prefer to wear fake eyelashes. So we're gonna go ahead and put on mascara, do the fake eyelashes, and then any final touches that we need to do. So for mascara, I know that a lot of people like to put on mascara and then use an eyelash curler to curl their lashes. I found that when I do that, and it may just be the mascara that I use, but if I put on mascara and then use an eyelash curler, it kind of makes my eyelashes look like spider legs, and it freaks me out and I don't like it. So what I do is curl my lashes first with an eyelash curler, and then I put on mascara after that, and then I follow up with the fake eyelashes. So I'm just gonna very lightly press into my eyelashes. Several times I've pinched my eyelid and it hurts so bad. So I always try to be really careful at this part. And then same thing for the other eye. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara. Now if you happen to wipe off some eyeliner At this point with the eyelash curler, you can go ahead and just pop some back on and then do your mascara. What I'm using today for mascara is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in Brown Black. I really like this mascara because it creates a very natural look on the eyelashes without being too boom in your face. And it's also great for blending in with faux lashes. So time to pop on some lashes. Today I'm using the Ardell Professional Wispy Lashes. Don't mind the top two because I've obviously used them. Alright, so lashes are on and this is the final look. After you put on the lashes, if you decide you want to make some minor retouches to your eyeliner, you can certainly do so. With the liquid liner, I find it easier than using a pencil to create those very fine retouches. If you want to make your liner thicker, it's also pretty easy to do so. You just have to make sure that you're not catching any of your liner. I hope this video was helpful for some of you. I've been using this little trick for quite a few years now, and with a lot of practice, I have been able to just learn how to pop on some eyeliner and head on out. If you'd like to see a video of how to do this eyeshadow look, check out my most recent post on Instagram at Madison_Lee_beauty. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below or tweet me. Any way you want to reach me, I'm all ears. If you'd like to see some of my other platforms, my Twitter is at Madison_Lee_beauty, as well as my Instagram page, which is also at Madison_Lee_beauty. As always, I'm going to leave a list of all the products that I've used in this video down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye guys!